guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to recreate the look that you all loved from my last haul video. So I've already got my foundation on because I always do the same thing, as you guys know. And I'm going to start with my brows. This is the Precisely Brow Liner by Benefit Cosmetics. They sent it to me. They sent me a bunch of brow products, and this is actually my favorite one that I received. It's pretty pricey, but I feel like I'll probably end up repurchasing it once I run out because I love it that much. Next, I used a concealer to clean up my brows. This one is by NYX. It's actually a dark circle corrector or concealer, but I like to use it under my brow because it's just a really good color for me. I don't always do this, but when I want like a sharp look, I'll do it, and usually I do that when I'm either wearing my hair slicked back or wearing a head wrap. So I attempted to line my waterline with this nude pencil. It's by Rimmel London, and the color is actually called Nude. But today my allergies were just on 10. Like, my eyes were super itchy, super watery. So they just started acting up as soon as I attempted it. So I didn't really get to do as much as I normally would. Then my favorite part, you guys, Urban Vibez Cosmetics. This palette is Black owned, Sista owned, and I love it because the colors are so vibrant and great for brown skin. So I went in with a damp brush with this bright yellow, and I just applied it to the inner corner of my eye, about a third of the way in. And once I did that, I then added some highlight. This one is by Fenty Beauty in the color Hustler Baby, and I just added that to my tear duct area. I did a pretty thin liquid liner. Again, my eyes were acting up, so I didn't really get to, do as much as I wanted to, but I did add a winged liner. This one is by a cheap drugstore brand called Essence. And then I went in with my favorite drugstore mascara, which is by L'Oreal. It's called Telescopic, and I applied about 2 to 3 coats of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. For lips, I lined with Chestnut, which is a lip liner by MAC. And in the video, in my haul video, I actually topped it with an LA Girl lipstick called Nudie. But today I wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I went in with Fenty Beauty's Uncuffed. And they both give a pretty similar look. It's just Uncuffed is more on the pinky side and Nudie is more on the taupe side. Okay, so now for the best part, the head wrap. This is just a yellow fabric head wrap from ToniDaley.com. I tied it around my head, pretty secure in the front. And then again, in the haul video, I was wearing a puff, so I ended up just wrapping the ends around the puff. Today, of course, as you can see, I'm not wearing a puff. So what I did instead was just wrapped loosely in opposite directions and tucked. And that just gives the illusion of volume, like there's something there, but there's really not. And that's pretty much the final look. I added a little bit of edge control, did a couple swoops, added some hoops, and this is the final look, and this is a great summer look. So I hope that you all found this little video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.